Hi everyone, it's Rachel Kleinman from rwcrafts.com. Today I'll be showing you how I created this design for this Bumblebee birthday card. The stamps I'm using are from Craft Emotions Party 2 stamp set. Now this is a card design that I've done a couple of times before. It's quickly becoming one of my favorite go-to designs, especially for a single image. Here's a hamster card I created and the dragon card. You can find those on my blog. So I stamped the images and cut them out using my brother's scan and cut. And now I'm going to do some quick Copic coloring. I don't typically share my Copic coloring on my YouTube because it's hard for me to keep my head out of the view of the camera. I really like to hang over my images as I'm coloring. But just for you today, I will share my coloring so you'll get to see that. This card is part of a Blog Hub celebration celebrating Topflight Stamp's 5th birthday. So make sure you visit my blog for some giveaways and you can see the other cards that I've created using the same stamp set, as well as hop along and see what the other designers have created. So I'm very excited to be a part of this, and yeah, make sure you check out the giveaways. So I'm finishing up my Bumblebee. I'm coloring the balloon the same color as the little gift that he's holding. And with balloons, I like to just do a little swipe with the 0 Copic. That will pick up the color and it will look like a balloon reflection. Now I'm adding a thin layer of glue and I'll be dipping the wings into some rock candy glitter just to add a little shine and shimmer and dimension. Now I've created this mask and you see I've used it many times. It's cut to the size of a card base and I die cut a circle right through the middle. The die cut is from Spellbinders. And I use this cloud stencil from Simon Says Stamp and I just layer up. You can see that with the ink, I start on the stencil and I pull up so that you have a deeper color outlining the clouds. So it's that simple. There's my cloud design that I've created with the mask. And I did a little smudge on the top of the clouds, but since I have a balloon, it's going to be perfect. I'll put the balloon right on top so you won't even see the mistake. So sometimes crafting is all about figuring out how to hide your mistakes. I have heat embossed the happy birthday sentiment with some Wow embossing powder in pure platinum. Sometimes with sentiments, I like to heat from the back first so that the powder doesn't blow off. And you can also see, maybe you saw that cool little gadget. I have a We Are Memory Keepers like glitter vacuum, which is perfect for my desk and perfect to pick up rogue embossing powders that have gotten lost around. So you can see I'm adding the balloon right on top of that smudge that I created. And I will use foam tape to pop up the Bumblebee to give him a little added dimension as he's floating across the clouds. And that completes the card. I'll just finish it up with some Nuvo drops in black and some perfect pearls in silver. And I also found silver stickles just for fun, because who doesn't love stickles? And that completes the card. I'll put it on a black card base to give it some more pop. And there it is. Thank you so much for joining me. Be sure to visit the Topflight Stamps store for these really cute stamps and find me on my blog. Thank you. Bye.